Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're getting our hands dirty with a pretty serious piece of commercial AV gear.
We are the Blustream IP350UHD-TX. It's a 4K video over IP transmitter.
Exactly. And our mission here is to figure out how this one box lets professional installers move these, colossal 4K video signals over standard network gear.
And with almost no lag.
That's the part that gets me. How do you take an 18 gigabit per second HDMI signal and, squeeze it through a 1 gigabit network pipe?
Right. That's the fundamental engineering hurdle. It seems impossible on paper.
So it must be using some serious compression. But they claim it's visually lossless.
It is. The trick is a very, very efficient codec. What you get, for all practical purposes, is visually perfect 4K 60 Hz 4.4.4 video.
That's fast.
Virtually latency-free. We're talking a single frame of delay, which is imperceptible in most applications, and it handles the tough stuff like Dolby Vision.
And this isn't just about sending a signal a short distance. It goes beyond the usual 100 meters of CAT cable, right?
Oh, absolutely. For anyone working on a large campus or, a multi-building installation, the built-in fiber SSD port is key.
So that lets you break past that 100-meter limit.
Exactly. It lets you cover huge distances, and you still have an HDMI loop out on the box for, say, a local monitor right there in the rack.
Okay, so the video part is impressive, but the thing that really surprised me was the audio.
The Dante integration.
Yeah, it has a built-in 2-channel Dante transmitter and receiver. That's a huge deal in the pro audio world.
It's a game changer. Dante is the industry standard, and this supports AES67 too, so it plays nice with other audio networking protocols.
What I love is the flexibility with those dual network ports.
Yeah.
The LAN 1 and LAN 2.
Right, so you can run everything video, power over Ethernet, and Dante on one network.
But wait, wouldn't that be a problem? Putting high bandwidth video and sensitive audio on the same 1 gig network sounds risky.
It can be, but that's the beauty of the design. You have a choice.
You can split them.
You can completely segregate the Dante audio onto its own network using that second port. So you get total separation if you need it for security or just peace of mind.
That is smart, and it still passes through formats like Dolby Atmos.
All of them. Dolby Atmos, DTS HD, Master Audio, you name it.
So we have incredible video and pro-grade audio. Let's talk about control. This thing seems to be a central hub for everything.
It really is. You can route IR, RS-232, USB for KVM, basically any control signal you can think of.
And you can route them all independently.
Independently, yes. Which brings us to the 4 operational modes. This is what really makes the platform so versatile.
So it's not just one thing. It can be a massive matrix switcher.
Or a video wall controller. And for those big modes, you only need a standard 1 gigabit network switch, not a more expensive 10 gig one.
Which saves a ton of money on the infrastructure side.
A huge amount. And for simpler jobs, it can just be a one-to-one or one-to-many HDMI extender. No managed switch needed at all.
So when you boil it all down, the real takeaway is radical simplification.
That's it. You're taking 3 or 4 separate systems, video distribution, audio networking, and device control, and merging them into one elegant, network-based platform.
It solves so many headaches at once.
Which leads to our final thought for you. The platform supports a virtually unlimited system size. So given that this one box consolidates everything, how does that fundamentally change the way you would approach engineering a massive installation from the very beginning?
You mean in terms of planning for redundancy or maintenance?
Exactly. How does it change the calculation for commissioning time, for troubleshooting, for the entire life cycle of the system? That engineering simplification, that's the real revolution here.